Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn an automation for your Google Workspace that is going to boost your productivity and save your time. Guys, I'm talking about how you can upload an image in Google Slide presentation automatically from Google Sheets and copy the newly created presentation in a Google Drives folder. So guys, if you are creating presentations in bulk, for example, you want to create ID cards or invitations or certificates, this automation is going to help you a lot. Here we are going to integrate Google Sheets with Google Slides and Google Drive in such a way that you just have to add the details and the link of an image in Google Sheets row, and a new presentation will be created with an image and it will be copied in a Drives folder automatically. And guys, we can set up this whole workflow without any coding super simply. So without any further ado, let's start. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And guys, you can reach the landing page of Pabbly Connect using the link given in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free. And you will get free automation tasks every month, okay? So guys, you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and from here click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name here. Okay, now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. So you can have many actions for a particular trigger. In our use case guys, we are adding some data in Google Sheets and that is going to trigger this workflow, and the automated action would be to upload the image in a slide in Google Slides application and then create a copy of that in Google Drive. Okay, so first of all, click on this trigger window and it will ask you to select the trigger application. So here you have to search for Google Sheets. Okay, then select the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, and it will provide you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to create a connection with Google Sheets and get the response of that connection. This means the data coming from Google Sheets will be fetched here on this webhook URL. Okay, so you need to follow these steps written here to create this connection. So you can just read the steps and follow them, or you can just click on this watch tutorial link and you will reach our YouTube channel. And from here you can see a separate video that we have created for creating the webhook URL connection with Google Sheets. Okay, so you can see this video and learn from it. And after creating the connection, so guys, to create a connection you need to copy the URL, webhook URL, and when you click on copy, it will start showing listening or waiting for the response of this connection. So after creating the connection, you can bring some test data from your spreadsheet to here in this workflows response. So here you can see guys, this is my spreadsheet, and actually I have added the details of my employees and the images of my employees, and with the help of this data I want to create iCards for my employees using this slide that I have created here in Google Slides. So this is a slide template I have created. Here I am going to enter the employee's name, employee's designation, and between these two things I want to place an image of my employee. That's what I want to do. And to automate this process, let me just bring the test data from this spreadsheet to here in this response action. So guys, this is how you are going to receive the test data from the spreadsheet. Here you can see it started showing the spreadsheet name, images for slides. This is the same name. Okay, and here you can see the details. The image link is here, the employee's name is here, the designation is also here. Okay, now guys, after receiving the test data, come to this action window and here search for Google Slides. Okay, and here we are going to use the action event as create presentation from template, and if we have this upload image in presentation as well. But here you can see right now I have these two placeholders here in double curly braces, which are the variables which we can change with every new presentation, the employee name and the employee designation. So first of all, I'm going to choose this create presentation from template option. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection. Then click on sign in with Google. And it will bring you to this window. From here, you have to choose that Google account by which you have created the presentation template. Okay, select that account. Then you have to provide some additional access to your account. So just click on continue from here. That is completely safe and you will be connected with Google Slides in a moment. So we are now connected and here it started asking to select the template presentations name. So the name of my template is iCard and you can find the name here inside in this list. So I'm selecting the name. Then here it will ask you to give a title to this new presentation. So I'm just going to place iCard as the title. And after that, I'm going to put an underscore. And from this trigger step, I'm going to map the name of the employee. Here you can see we have the name of the employee. So I'm going to map this label here like this. You just have to click here and the previous step will appear in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find the data right here. Just map the name. Okay, so the new presentation will be created with on the name of this title. Okay, and here it is asking to select the location in Google Drive where you want to create this presentation. So guys, you can select the presentation's name. Let me show you my drive. So guys, this is my Google Drive and this is the folder I have named as document. So I'm going to select the name of the folder here. This is the name. Okay, and here you can see it's started showing these two things, the employee name and the designation. These are the two placeholders. So first let me fill these things from the Google Sheets. This is the name, this is the designation. Okay, then click on save and send test request button. And this is the response we got, and here it started showing a new presentation ID. That means a presentation is created. Okay, and you can check it here. The new presentation is here, but this presentation has one thing missing, which is the image of the employee. Now to upload the image in the same presentation, just click here on this plus icon and here search for Google Slides one more time and select the action event now as upload image in presentation and click on connect button. From here, so guys, we are already connected with Google Slides and every connection that you create here is saved in your account. So after creating the connection once, you can use that same existing connection using this select existing option. Okay, keep this selected and then click on save one more time and you will be connected again. So we are now connected and here it started asking to select the presentation's name that you have just created. So guys, here in this field, I'm going to map this presentation ID that we just got in the previous steps response. And to map the ID here, just toggle this map button to on, then erase this help text. Okay, and from the second step, map the presentation ID. Okay, so we can add the image in the same newly created presentation. Here you can see it started asking where you want to place the image, in center crop or center inside position. You can select any position and here you can see it's asking for the image that you want to insert. So guys, we have received the image link here in the trigger. You can see here, you can see guys, we got this image link. Okay, so I'm going to map this image link label here in this field. So just click here and from the previous step, first trigger step, map the image link and then click on save and send test request button and a new ID card will be generated for your employee. So guys, here you can see guys, we have received a new presentation ID. This means the presentation is updated. Let's check in our drive. So I'm going to open this presentation to show you. And here you can see guys, we got a new presentation updated. Previously it was like this and now it is like this. We got the name placed, the designation placed and the photo placed properly for you. Okay, now guys, I want to create a copy of this ID card and I want to place that copy in a different folder in Google Drive for saving our work. If you want to do any changes you can send the copy to your employees, and if they want any changes, you can do that in original copy. Okay, so for that, just click here on this plus icon, and here in this action window you can search for Google Drive option. Here is Google Drive. Okay, then use the action event as create a copy. So you'll find copy a file option. Click on copy a file, then click on connect button. From here select that. So guys, we are already connected with our Google account, okay, in the previous steps. So I'm going to use the same existing connection, and here I'm clicking on save again, and I'll be connected again with my drive. Right, and here it started asking which file you want to create a copy of. So I'm going to map the presentation ID from the last step. Okay, this one. Then it will ask you to select the folder in which you want to save the copy. So I'm going to use a different folder. So let me show you that folder. So guys, this is the second folder in which I want to save the image copies. Okay, so the name of the folder is images only. So I'm going to select it from here. Just search for the folder's name. Okay, and here it is asking for the to enter the copied file name. So guys, I'm going to type here I'm going to just map the employee name first, and then I'm going to type underscore iCard copy. Okay, so it will be understood for you that what type of file it is. Okay, so now click on save and send test request button, and you will get a copy of the same presentation in a different folder. So here you can see guys, a new copy is created, and you can see that copy here. Okay, this is the copy. You can see the name employee, new employee, iCard copy is the name. Right, and finally I want to place the file link here in my spreadsheet back again in this new file location column. For that to happen, just click on this plus icon, and from this action window connect with Google Sheets again, and select the action event as update cell value. Okay, update cell value, because here I want to update this cell value only. Okay, so here click on connect button. So the connection process with Google Sheets and with all Google tools are same. Just give the access to your Google account and you're already connected. So I'm going to use the existing option and click on save. And here you can see guys, now it started asking to select the spreadsheet that you want to update. So the spreadsheet name is this, images for slides PPT, and it is auto selected. You can see here it is asking in the range of the cell where you want to update the value. Okay, so to get the range, just click on the cell where you want to update the value, and here you can see it started showing D2. This means the cell's range is column D, row number 2. This is the position. Now to put this position here, just click and put capital D manually, and from this trigger step map the row index. It will show you this row index, just map it. So when you map the labels here guys, what will happen in real time, whenever you are going to add a new row, the labels will be updated here and the correct cell value will be updated automatically every time this workflow executes. Okay, that's why we map things here. Okay, here it is asking what is the value that you want to map. So guys, to create the link of the file, what you need to do, just open the folder, the copy folder. So guys, this is the folder in which I have created the copies, and here you can see the top search bar. This is the link. So what you can do, just click here on the 3 dots, and from here click on share option, and here you can see it, we have this copy link option. Click on copy link and paste the link here in this value field. Okay, and here you can see in the last, after this D slash, we have this string of integers and alphabets. This is actually the presentation's ID. Okay, erase this and map the presentation from the last step, this ID. Okay, so it will create a shareable link. This is how you can create a shareable link for the file that you have created. Now click on save and send test request button, and this link will be updated in your spreadsheets cell. So you can see this is the response we got. Let me show you. And here you can see, guys, we have received the link of the file that we have created, and from here only you can jump to that file directly. Okay, so guys, this is how it is going to work. So now in real time, you just have to add the details of your employees and the image link, and after a few moments automatically you will get a file link here in this D column, and you can see the newly created file. Okay, this is how it is going to work. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to trigger automatically whenever you are going to add a new row here in the spreadsheet. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone the same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.